Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we'll be making a marinated beef jerky. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 pound of sirloin or flank steak, a cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano. We'll start by making our marinade. We'll mix our cup of soy sauce, quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, quarter cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano in a casserole dish. Then, we'll slice our steaks about 1/4 inch thick and place them into the marinade and let it soak in the fridge for 2 to 12 hours. Then, we'll put our steak slices on a dehydrator or on a rack on a cookie sheet. Once we've prepared our steak, we'll set our oven to dehydrate at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. If your oven does not have a dehydrate function, bake the jerky at 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 hours. It's been 6 hours, so we'll go ahead and check our beef jerky for doneness. It should be fully dry and bend and not snap. Our jerky is done, so we'll go ahead and remove it from the oven and allow it to cool to room temperature. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.